In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can import an image on canva.com. First of all, I am going to canva.com. You need to log in here. This link attached in description below. You can find out in first comment and description below. First, go here, this option uploaded. You can see here the lots of image I already uploaded here. So if you want to upload here, just click on upload file. Then if you are use a mobile phone, this is the same method. Select an image, then click on open. When you click on open, you need a few seconds for processing. You can see this image already here uploaded successfully. So if you have found this video helpful, please make sure dislike this video and subscribe this channel for this next video. If you have any suggestion and questions, let me know in comment box. I'll try to answer and discuss with you. See you next video. Take care. Bye.